Are you looking for a powerful, cordless lawn mower that's easy to use? Today, we're checking out the Greenworks G24X2 LM41, an electric mower that promises power comparable to a gas model without the downsides of noise, emissions, or complicated maintenance. Greenworks is a well-known brand for its battery-powered gardening tools, providing an eco-friendly and efficient alternative to traditional gas-powered equipment. Designed for medium-sized gardens, this mower lets you maintain your lawn effectively with minimal effort. You'll find the link in the description if you're interested in this model. Visually, the Greenworks features a modern design with its iconic green color and a sturdy finish. Its compact structure and lightweight design make it easy to handle, while its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. The handles are adjustable and can be folded for optimized storage, making it particularly practical for small storage spaces. The mower sits on large rear wheels, enhancing maneuverability on different types of terrain, whether flat or slightly sloped. Its spacious grass collection bag allows for longer mowing sessions without interruption. With its optimized cutting width, it's designed to efficiently cover large areas on a single charge. Its motor is powered by 2 lithium-ion batteries that provide ideal runtime for maintaining a medium-sized lawn. It can be used with batteries of different capacities, thus adapting its runtime to the user's needs. The cutting system offers several adjustable heights, which can be changed using a central lever. This mower also has a versatile mode that allows you to either collect the grass in the collection bag or activate the mulching function to chop and redistribute the cut grass like natural fertilizer. Its burstless motor enhances energy efficiency and reduces wear on internal components, ensuring a longer lifespan. Greenworks has standardized its batteries, offering compatibility with a wide range of the brand's tools, allowing you to reuse them on other gardening equipment. This compatibility is a big plus for those who have other electric tools from the same brand, reducing the need to buy multiple types of batteries. Right out of the box, the mower is ready to go, looking like it should. It's quick and doesn't require any special tools. Once charged, it starts up by pressing a safety button, followed by the start lever. A safety key system is built in to prevent any accidental use, especially by children. The handling is intuitive, and its well-thought-out design allows for effortless operation, even for those who aren't used to electric mowers. During testing, the mower delivers a precise and even cut, with a quiet motor and good capability to handle different types of lawns, including slightly taller grasses. Its low noise level is appreciable, allowing mowing in the morning or at the end of the day without disturbing the neighborhood. The mulching mode works well, although the effect is more optimal on regularly maintained grass. Compared to the competition, the Greenworks G24X2 LM41 positions itself well in terms of value for money. Compared to other models, like the Bosch City Mower, which is more compact but less powerful, it offers better runtime and a wider cutting width. Compared to the Greenworks G40 LM41, you get similar performance, but with improved battery life. When compared to the Fuxtech FX E1R M20, which is more affordable, the cutting quality and runtime clearly favor the Greenworks model. Its modular battery system makes it more flexible than some competing mowers that impose a single battery type. If you already have Greenworks tools compatible with 24V batteries, this mower becomes even more interesting. The 3-year warranty provides extra security for users concerned about the durability of their equipment. In summary, the Greenworks G24X2 LM41 is an excellent alternative to thermal mowers for those looking for a practical, efficient, and ecological solution. It stands out for its power, handling, and ease of use, while offering adequate autonomy for an average surface area. Its powerful electric motor, interchangeable batteries, and suitable cutting mode make it a smart choice for those who want to maintain their lawn with minimal effort. It's in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thanks for watching. See you so. Hi.